I'm Marna, and if you've been watching our other videos on our channel, you know that Deron has a 3D printer and has been printing me troll dolls in a lot of colors. And the first one we found, they call them models. I call it patterns. But this is the first one that we found online, and you can see it's cute. Is it perfect? No, but it's so fun. The hair is also 3D printed, and it prints flat, and then you use a hair dryer to make it. Well, online I also found the model, or what I call pattern, for this particular troll. And I'm going to show you what I did to make it look like this. For this particular troll's head, I am counting the number of rounds because I'm going to use 2 skeins of hair on its wide head. So I'm feeling sherbirty, I guess. And we're going to wrap this 25 times. We're going to try to. 2, 3, 4, 5, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now I'm stopping and I'm gathering this sherbirty looking yarn. This is that how to make those dish scrubbies with. I like this stuff for trolls. It's like, I don't know, earthy. And I'm going to add it in. Where's my yarn? Okay. So I'm going to add it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. I wrap the entire round after 25, cut them together, tie it off, and I'll make another pom-pom. Okay, this particular model has a big flat area that needs hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do half and half, and to start I'm going to do about a 1/4 panel and go around and fill that in. I want to take my pom-pom. I personally want the part diagonal, not between his eyes. So I'm going to stick that down halfway over. And then I'm going to go back and do the other half. Get some glue and press that down gently. You're just pressing, you're not hammering. You get that all down. And then pull the hair to one side and do the same thing. Get a lot between the eyes because you don't want a part there. Of course. What do I always say? Keep another stick very handy because you don't want your glue drying. Oh, that's okay. I went ahead and did it all. I was going to do a 1/4, but it'll work. Okay, then I'm going to look at my pom-pom again and turn it so that the part of it is sideways in the head, from ear to ear, not between the eyes. I'm going to press that down. Oh, that's pretty cute. Call this one Sherbert. All right. And there you can. I'm going to put a little bit more up front. Just a little bit. Not a gaping amount. Push him forward using my finger coming up from the back. Pressing that down. And there you have a sherbet colored, and I'll trim this, of course, sherbet colored 3D model wide-headed troll. this video, we rode our bikes down to Family Dollar. And they had these cute little, they're like for babies or whatever, little hair ties in their fabric. And I'm sure I didn't pay much. I bought these for my Yorkshire Terrier, and they work real cute. I'd show her, but she's a mess right now. I'll have to do a video on that. I wanted this to match her little coat and her little harness and leash and everything. Well, I took a yellow one and I put it around this troll's hair. Because this head is so big and flat, the hair kind of hung flat. So I put that around her hair and I kind of wiggled it, and I thought it was really cute like that. And some in the back didn't get into the little hair tie, and I kind of think it's cute. Just one of those post-video thoughts. Thank you for watching our videos. We really appreciate it. Shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you're not a subscriber, I hope you will consider hitting the subscribe button and also the like.